Pangalawang araw na mag-try. Padudo. Dudo siya kanina Dudo ka naman kanina Hala. Ayaw niya pa rin. Ayaw niya ng lactum. Dunudo siya kanina. Hala. Yeah. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya ng lactum.
It's a little bunny. Can you make your bunny hop? Great job.
Nagdudo siya kanina. Saglit. Kala niya siguro dudo ng mama niya. Tapos, yeah. Ay. Gana. Ayaw pa rin.
Thank you for feeding me the carrot. Can you make your bunny talk? Thank you. Good job. Bunny is getting asleep.
Second attempt na magpadudo ng lactum.
Can you do that?
Gana.
Bunny is sleeping. We need
Ay.
to be quiet.
Ayaw talaga.
Ding, ding, ding. That's our alarm clock. We need to wake up. Actually, I'm still tired. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry
Tao.
They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies. Hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies. Hop.
Ay, ay. Kumaripas. Ano ka nang tumakbo corner ka ngayon, corner. Ayaw, sige. Wag na. Hindi na. Wala na, hindi na. Hindi na nga ni. Hindi na. Sorry po. Gusto lang laruin. Yeah. Ayaw ipakuha. Magkakalat yan.